Hey, you're checking out my Swizzle Sticks. So this is Senecio Anteuphorbium, or it's also known as Senecio Anteuphorbium, excuse me. It's in the sunflower family, believe it or not. It's pretty cool, huh? And it does go dormant in the summer, and it's kind of defined as a deciduous succulent shrub. And what that means is it will kind of look like this when it's deciduous and in its dormant state in the summertime. Now in Southern California it'll look like that a lot, but you can kind of keep it from doing that by keeping it in pretty much like full shade. I'd say no more than like 30% sun, at least in my experience. I'll show you one that's been getting full sun for a few years and what happens to it in a minute. But anyways, back to this plant. It's native to Morocco. It'll grow 3 to 5 feet tall, and 3 to 5 feet wide, and it's pretty hardy, frost hardy. It's hardy to 25 degrees, and it definitely likes to be potted in my experience. It will grow in soil in Southern California, but it definitely prefers to be potted. This one is potted and it's doing much better. It's taken like a year to kind of bounce back. Here is what the sweet white flowers look like, and so those sweet white flowers are mildly fragrant, and they kind of like a disc shape. So again, grow this thing in the shade if you want it to be happy, and don't give it too much sunlight. So let me go show you one that's kind of still dormant. It may be dead, but it's been getting a lot of sunlight for several years, and I'll show you what that looks like. But again, this is Swizzle Sticks, really, really beautiful. Alright, here's one that's more of a do not do this. Alright, so this is kind of what it looks like when it's dormant. However, it looks like this one may have died or is dying. I think I could probably save this piece still. It's very yellow. You can see it's all kind of dead there. So yep. Whoa. Alright, so I'm going to have to replant these, and they're going to be slow to kind of retake, in my opinion. In my experience, I should say. The ones I showed you in the first part of this video, they look like this about a year ago. So I'll save these guys, and hopefully we'll get some of those leaves back. Alright, so give us a like and a subscribe, and there you go, Swizzle Sticks, the succulent that goes dormant like an aeonium. Dude, it's creepy.